Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about messages. Your messages from angels. What are they telling you? What are they from what thing they are protecting you from? What are they saying to you? This is the reading for today, and there's two piles. This is number one, this is number two. Whichever pile you are attracted most, choose that pile. I'm going towards my pile number one. Those who choose the pile number one, this keychain, silver keychain, your reading is that they are telling you that you have to care about your those who are around you, your family, your mother, your father, your husband, whoever you are, you have to take care for them. You are going to make money, and you have to fulfill your promise, collect money, make money. Don't spend a lot of money. Okay, take care of everyone. Think before you do anything. Okay, and stay loyal to others, and defend your own self. Defend yourself. Defend your any situation, whatever problem you have got over here. You have to protect yourself from others. Why is this seven of wands is over here? With this card, you want to start new, something new. Maybe new life with somebody, with passion, with love, with attraction. You are attracted towards somebody, some person. You like them. You want to start new things, something new with them, new life with them. Maybe you want to marry them, and if you want this, you have to protect yourself. Okay, you have to protect yourself, and you are breaking your restrictions towards others. You at the previous time you are blocking someone from you. You are stopping them to come towards you. Now you are going to finish this restriction. Yes, and you let them in your life. I want to see why this card is over here. With these two cards, I think that you don't want to marry someone, or you don't want that person to come to your life, and you want to cut them. But now you are calling them to come towards you. Yes, and playfulness. Yes, your energy is like you are playing with them. You are happy with them. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Yes, the spirits are saying you that you have to be like a child, happy like a child. Enjoy that moment, be happy. And deception, maybe you are telling them lies, you are betraying them, or they are betraying you. Yes, this is the situation, and someone is having mask on over their face. I think you both are doing these things to each other. You both have the mask over your face, and you are not telling them the truth. and they are also not telling you the truth. Okay, you are hiding something from them. Why is this card is over here? I think that you want to marry them, and that's why you are calling them towards you, calling them back, and you still don't tell them that you want to marry them, you want to begin something new with them. Yes, and you want to give your heart to them, or maybe they are not telling you, but they are coming towards you. Yes, they are coming towards you. They want to begin something new with you, and they are not telling you that thing. They want you badly. They want you. They love you. They had restricted you to come towards them, and now they had broken that boundaries, that rules, and tell you to come towards them. Okay, and with this mouse, someone is not good here. Someone is keeping things from others. Someone is stealing something from other, and someone is telling lie. They are hiding something from you, and I think that this is that person. They are blocking you at first, and now they are calling you to come towards them and talk to them and have a home with them, but they hide something in their mind. Yes, this card is here because something is not changing over here, and maybe you are or they are coming out of their bad time. They are coming towards their good time. Yes, but there is something not ending over here. Yes, maybe they like you, they love you, but they are not telling anybody that they like you, they love you, they want you. They never tell you or anyone else, but they have their feelings in their mind, and now they want to come towards you, or maybe this is what you are doing towards them. But this is the message is from the angels, that this so this reading is for you, and this person who is doing this all things, this person is the other person. You are someone else. Okay, and autumn is my last chance. Please don't lose hope. Angels are telling you that you don't have to lose your hope. Please make your hope upon Allah, upon your God, upon universe, and this relationship will be this person will be coming towards you. Maybe this is happening soon, not so soon, not so late. Maybe in 1 year or 2 years this is going to happen, and this person is coming towards you, but still they hide something from you. Something, maybe they love you, they hiding this love from you, but this mouse card, this is telling me that they are also hiding something else from you. They don't want to tell you anything. Okay, this is the reading for my pile number 1, and I hope you like it. If this resonates you, please tell me. Like, share, subscribe this reading, and with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my pile number 2. Those who choose the pile number 2, your messages someone or you are coming from your bad time towards your good time. You're coming out of your bad time, and you're saving something from others. maybe it's your heart or something precious to you. You're protecting something. Okay, and now the good time is with you, the Lord Sun with you. You're no more going to be alone. You're not more no more alone, and you are going to have the money. You are going to make the money if you have a money situation. Yes, you are coming out of your bad times, and with this Lovers card upside down, I think that you or someone had blocked you from their mind, from their heart. Why is this Lover card is upside? Someone had blocked their lovers to protect their own self. Okay, they want to protect their own self. That's why they are holding you back. They are restricting you. They stop you to come towards them. Yes, that's what is here. What is this card is telling me here over here? They are protecting themselves. That's why they are stopping you. Okay, and with this Five of Wands upside down, because of this situation that they had blocked you, they some kind of battlefield fighting is hold on or going to end over here. Yes, there's this fighting, this quarrel, this battle is finished over here. It's going to end because something is happened, and this circle is completed now, and the other thing is going to start. You have the word, and you have the happiness. You have the happy lifetime. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. Yes, maybe you are going to marry someone, or you are going to disconnect from the world and doing your own things. What you want, whatever you want from your life, from all of your life, you are going to do that things. Okay, and the reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life, and this card is upside down. That's mean that they are not coming towards you because they had blocked you, because they are protecting themselves, and they are not coming towards you. Healing family issues, but angels are telling you that they are not stopping or blocking, but they want their own time to heal their family issues. Heal family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay, maybe they have some kind of quarrel, some kind of fight with their parents. They want you, and their parents don't like you, and they are fighting for you to marry you or to want you. Yes, and maybe they have children, and but this is not a children card. This is they are healing their family issues. There is something going on in their family, and they are going to heal this. Whenever they are ready for you, they are coming towards you. Okay, sheep is this is for Aries. This is Aries sign, and I think this person is little bit angry, aggressive, and but this person is very loving, very caring, giving, and caring, and this is also for pregnancy. Okay, this is the Emperor card or Empress card. Yes, and maybe they want a baby from you, or they want your all of attention, your love for them. This person is good for you, this person is not bad for you. They are not cheating you, they are just defending their own self, and they whatever they are doing for you. They want your love, they want you, that so they are doing this for you, okay. And snow angel, the signs are with you already, okay. This card is telling us that that the angels are with you, and they are helping you and them to come towards each other, to marry each other, to have a life with each other. And yes, the universe is with you, universe with you uh, to make this thing happen. This is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if this resonates you, please tell me from comment section. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.